Hi guys! Welcome to PK Global. We are dealers of boom trucks, 7 tons, 10 tons, 12 tons, 15 tons, 19 tons, and 20 tons. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung Hyundai 7 tons boom truck namin. So as you can see, the truck is a Hyundai 10-wheeler truck. Original left-hand drive siya because it's a Korean truck. No conversion unlike Japanese trucks. So ang boom niya is Kangnim KS2700 boom. So this is a 7-tonner boom. Complete siya with all the warning stickers and of course the anti-2-block device. So hindi na kayo mamumroblema sa mga certificates, safety certificates. So this is where you operate the outriggers. Complete outrigger siya. 2 and the front and 2 at the back. So yan, this is the boom from the side. Hydraulic fan, again all the stickers, the load chart. Everything here is complete. As you can see, the body is also very long. Ayan. And then it also comes with a boom jib. So, extension siya sa boom. Okay. Now, let's move on to the tires. Again, it's a 10-wheeler truck with brand new tires. 12R22.5 ang size ng tires niya. This is a Korean surplus unit but fully reconditioned, brand new accessories with aircon, brand new tires, and may kasama na siyang DOLE third-party certificate bago namin ilabas. So we're gonna thoroughly check the condition of the truck and the boom. So ayan, from here, it looks like this. Yun yung sa operator. And yes, this is how the unit looks like. So if you're interested, you can Waze us, PK Global Corp. Malapit kami sa SM Fairview. And aside from the 7 tons boom truck, meron din kaming 21 tons, 12 tons, 10 tons, 19 tons, 7 tons. You name it, we have it. So hope to see you guys soon.